the money or the decimal places, you got to be able to do it. If you look at your paper, look at the first section. Sometimes they want to write the numbers like this. Sometimes it's in words. So, Braxton, I don't want you to be chewing gum like that, okay? If it's in your mouth, it's fine, but I don't want to see it on screen. Okay? All right. So look at the top one. So if you had money or decimal places, you got to make sure that you have them in the right spot. So how would you do letter B? So look at letter B. Sammy, where are you? No, I need to see you, okay? I don't want to see the ceiling. You need to be on the screen. Okay, it says 8 3/100. What does that look like? We're on page 255, Gianna. 255. 8 3/100. What does that look like? 8.03. Very good. You got to make sure you have that place value, okay? 8.03. All right. Let's go down to section 2. Now, this is when we have a mixed decimal, okay? So, Jacob M., I'm unmuting you, okay? This is your turn.
Okay.
How would I write 13 4/100?
You put 13.04.
Very good. Very good. Thumbs up. Miss Palmer's giving you 2 thumbs up. 13.04. 13.04. Good. All right. How about letter B? 12 1/10. What would we put? 12 1/10. Addison, I'm coming to unmute you. What would you put? 12 1/10.
12.1.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Jessica, where's Jasmine? Is that her head? There she is. Jessica, what would we put for 82 3/1000?
82.003.
Very good. Good job. All right. And the last one, Ian, what would I put for 16 3/10?
16.3.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. All right. Division. You might have, you always have to practice your long division, so you cross out the green. We're not going to practice that. All right. Changing a mixed number. We all remember how to do those? Yes? You divide. Thumbs up. Everyone remember how to do those? You just divide. Do you remember how to do those? Okay, Addison looks a little like she wants to review. Yes, you do, Addison? Okay, so remember when we have, it's okay. If we need to review anything, this is your chance. So remember when we change these to a mixed number, we do like 11, 6. This is called a improper fraction, right? Sammy, what are you doing? Sammy? Sammy, what are you doing?
2.
You need to stay in the screen, okay? You understand? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So when you have an improper fraction, we can't keep like this, like that in an answer. We can't keep it like this, like this. So how do we do it? We have to divide, remember? So we divide 11 divided by 6. How many times does, raise your hand if you know, how many times does 6 go into 11? Let's see. Addison?
Once.
Once, very good. Okay. 6 times, 6 times 1 is 6. We're gonna subtract. 11 minus 6 is, 11 minus 6 is what, Braxton?
5.
5, very good. And remember, when we're done, we write this answer over this one, so we have 1 and 5, 6. So Addison, do you remember how to do these now? Do you remember how we divide? Okay. Everyone familiar with remembering these now? Good? Thumbs up? Okay. Jacob M., where are you? Where'd you go? He left? Okay. Jacob, stay on camera. All right. Let's fill in the bottom part. Filling in our kilograms and things. So I'm going to unmute you just for a second. And I'm going to have, I don't want you to yell at the answers. I want you to, you're just going to, don't talk yet. Okay. You're all unmuted just for a second. You're going to raise your hand if you know the answer. So 1 kilogram equals how many grams? Raise your hand.
The second poem
Ian?
in our book is
1,000.
1,000. Very good. 1,000. Very good. All right.
the preposition
Letter B is a decameter is how many? What does deca mean? Sammy?
10.
10. Very good.
yes, and
All right. Letter C.
this
This is liter. Remember we just did liters?
said in the last one, it's
Okay.
like in spelling class.
Hectoliter. How many
Grade.
hectoliters are in a liter? Gabby?
Second poem
100. Very good.
in the song. It is described.
Okay. 1 gram is how many milligrams? Caleb?
1,000.
1,000. Very good. 1,000. 1 meter is how many centimeters? Lily? What does centi mean?
This, I see a lot of people writing. Okay. All right, the next sentence. I'm going to
100.
100. Very good. And the last one, 1 liter is how many deciliters? What does deci mean? Jessica, Jasmine? What? 10. Very good. Very good. Okay. All right. I'm going to mute you again.
Bye.
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 Okay. All right. Go to the back side. On the back side, that's measuring. If you don't have a ruler, if you have a ruler, you can do it. If you don't have a ruler, you can't. So that's hard, but some of you do have, how many of you have rulers at home? So you can measure it to the nearest inch, okay, then do it. Yesterday we did temperature and we got cut off. So when you do thermometers, like what's on your paper right here, we're counting by how much. If this is 70 and this is 60, we're counting by 62, 64, 65, because you see it's in the middle line right there. So the next one, it says you're drawing your own thermometers and then you're putting the scale. So you can do that on your own. That is not on your quiz tomorrow. Okay. Are you capable of doing that? Yes. Yes, you are. Okay. And then the last part is all review. So let's talk about your quiz real quick before I let you go. So, Ms. Palmer, I know you gave it to me. Okay, on your quiz tomorrow, you have to be able to add and subtract decimals. All right, Sabrina, what do you have to remember when you add and subtract decimals? Hold on, let me unmute you. It's not working. Okay, there. What do you have to remember?
To bring the decimal down?
Yes, in the same spot, right? Just like when we add money, don't forget that decimal place, okay? That's the number one thing you have to remember. All right, multiplying fractions is on there, okay? So what do we have to remember when we multiply fractions? Who thinks they know? We haven't done a problem like this for a while. Okay, Jacob S. We've been doing a lot at tutoring. What do you have to remember about multiplying fractions? What's the first thing you do when you multiply? What do you look for? If you can do what to the fractions?
You can divide them.
Not divide them, but what do you do when you can do what to them?
Multiply.
Well, you multiply, but if this was my fraction, let's just look at one. Let's do, I'm getting old, Miss Palmer. I have to move my glasses. Isn't that depressing? Jacob's unmuted. Jacob, you better be nice to me. I see you later for tutoring. You're unmuted. You better not say anything mean. I'll be seeing you later, buddy. Okay. If this is my board, if this is my problem, what do I have to do first? Anybody, raise your hand if you think you know. What's the first thing I have to do? All right, Chloe, I'm coming for you. What do?
You see if anything can go into each other.
Okay, we're gonna cancel, right? So does anything go in? Can you cancel anything, Chloe?
Yes.
Okay, what?
2 and 6 and
Okay.
5 and 5.
Okay, 2 and 6. Okay, 2 and 6 can go. Who thinks they know? 2 and 6 can go into what? Gabby? Oh, you. Okay, 1/3. Okay, so 1 and 3. Okay. All right, good. All right, how about 5? 5. Autumn. What
5
is-
can go into 5.
Okay, so they both turn into what?
1.
1. Okay. All right. Who knows our final answer then? If I have them both, what's my new answer when I multiply across? Let's see. Is there someone I didn't pick, Miss Palmer? I don't know. It's like Lily. Lily, you're so dark. I can barely see you over here. Lily, what's my final answer?
1/3.
1/3. Very good. 1/3. Okay. So that would be my final answer on your quiz tomorrow, right? That's what your answer would be tomorrow. All right. So everyone remembers how to do those. Thumbs up. Oh, Colin does a double thumb. So awesome. Okay. All right. Then you have to know how to add. Does everyone remember how to do these? Okay, watch. Give me a thumbs up if you remember how to do those. Yes? Okay, we haven't done them in a while. Sammy, you don't remember. Uh-oh. Sammy, you don't remember? No? Oh, no. Sammy says no.
Gianna's going this.
Sammy's, oh boy. So we
Gianna
should
needs a
do
little-
one? Okay. Braxton, do you remember?
Yes.
Okay, tell me what to do.
You cross out the 1, and then you put 3/3 on the top, and then you subtract 3/3 minus 1/3.
Which is what?
2/3.
Very good. Woo! Braxton got it right. Sammy, does that look familiar now? All right, he got it. Okay. That's on your quiz tomorrow. That's like the easy way of subtracting back in the day. Remember back in the day we did this? That's like the olden days of 4th grade. Back when you like didn't have to do like all the steps. Jessica's laughing. She's like, back in the day when you were barely 4th graders. Gabby has a question. Yes, see?
For number 4 on the math page,
Yes.
I didn't get to see the board, like the whole
Oh.
board, so.
Okay, like 11/6. Okay, you
Yeah.
just divide. So how many times does 6 go into 11?
1 time.
1. So then you subtract. So What's your remainder?
5.
So it'd be 5/6. So it's 1 and 5/6. That would be your answer. 1 and 5/6.
Okay.
So you just divide,
Thank you.
okay? Does that make sense? So you just divide those,
Okay.
okay? Okay, all right. And then we're doing decimals tomorrow, 4 proper fractions, and multiplying by 9. Does everyone think they could do all those things tomorrow on their quiz? Thumbs up? Okay, good. All right. Okay. What did you just write, Colin? That you
Can
can
I-
do it? What? You have a question?
Can
Yeah.
I say something?
Yeah.
Can
This
we
is
make
what-
sure they really, really know what improper is compared to proper? Some
Okay.
people, if they get it
Colin,
wrong, they get it
Colin,
wrong.
are you paying attention? You're looking around the room, so I don't know. Are you drawing a picture of me? He's drawing a picture. Okay, here. Okay, go ahead. This is my better side. Go ahead, Colin. He's not paying attention. Colin, pay attention. Ian's laughing. Ian, it's your birthday. Let's all sing happy birthday. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna unmute you on the count of 3, and we all have to sing happy birthday. Are you all ready?
Yep.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ian. Happy birthday to you. We're so Woo! Okay,
give you 100 V-Bucks.
before we are done,
I
Miss
gave you $4
Palmer,
on the card.
Miss Palmer wants you guys to know the difference between proper and improper.
How is there a concert when everything's closed down?
He's gonna
7
get
6 is
gifted one
improper.
V-Buck.
6 2.
Okay, they're not. I gotta mute them. It's
I
going
know.
crazy. Okay, you guys are not allowed to talk again. Okay, so look at me. We're not done. We're about done in 30 seconds. Okay, let's see who's the star student that's gonna listen the best. Oh, I don't know. Miss Palmer, watch and see.
I'm watching.
Oh, Caleb, look at him. He's scary. Okay, if you have this fraction and this fraction, you have 2 fractions up here. One is proper and one is not proper. Okay. Which one? Write on your paper. Which one is proper? Which one is proper? Which one's the proper one? One. Loan? Does it say loan? Love?
I don't know what, it's like I said, love.
I know. Lily, did it say love? It looks like it said love.
Like, yeah, it is.
Clay? Clay? Clay, stay. What, Clay? You're unmuted, Clay. What? You don't know? You don't know which one is?
It's 1/2.
1/2, yes. Okay, good job. All right, this one is proper, okay? Proper is, you're all shaking your head yes, but yet sometimes we don't get these right on our tests and quizzes. Miss Palmer will tell you that, right, Miss Palmer?
Yes, that's what I felt.
Okay, so the directions will say circle proper, box improper, and you will not do that. So this is proper, this is improper. Okay, so which one's proper? Which one's proper? First one or second one? Test, you could just say 1 or 2. Which one's proper? 1, right? This one. Is that one wrong still? Yes. Because can you have the same number over the same number? No. Sammy, it looks like you need to splash some water in your face. You look tired. Staying up too late. Okay, so we need to practice these and make sure we know the difference, okay? We'll do one more. One or two, which one's proper? I'm seeing some mixed reviews here. Are you, Miss Palmer? Some of them look like they don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm confused.
Yep.
Lily has 2 candlesticks.
2. This is 7 over 5, 6 over 9. This is the proper one. 6 over 9. See, I did what the K4 teacher does. If you write a similar number, they're like, what? I don't know. Okay. All right. So we're done for now. Okay. We're going to do Zoom at 1 o'clock for language. And then we're going to do Zoom at 2 o'clock for a history game. You were to color a paper or a note card for your history game, so make sure you know your right color, because when I ask the questions, then you're going to hold up your color. So your parents should have told you what color to make your paper. That's fine. So then you could have your paper, okay? All right, so I'm gonna end the meeting now, and then I'll see you guys at 1 o'clock, okay? All right, bye.